In this video, find all the missing side lengths and angles in this right triangle using sine, cosine, and our tangent functions. So here's a right triangle that we give you. We want to find all the sides and angles. So let's pick apart what we know so far. We know angle C is a right angle, so that has to be 90 degrees. Opposite angle A is side A, so that is line segment CB. So CB is a length of 5 units. Opposite angle B is side B. That line segment is AC. So that's 6 units. All right, we have 3 things still we need to find. So first I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem to find side C. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So A squared is going to be 5 squared. B squared is 6 units, so put in 6 there, so 6 squared. And then C is unknown. All right, so we're going to go ahead and solve this. So 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 6 is 36. And then C squared. Combine those together. 25 plus 36 is 61. C squared. Undo the C squared by square rooting both sides. You do not need to worry about the negative. So it's just square root of 61. So I'm going to go back up here, identify that as C equaling the square root of 61. So that's length AB, square root of 61. All right, now we have 2 angles left. So I'm going to start with angle A. So angle A, side opposite is 5 units, and side adjacent is 6 units. And we want to find out what is the measure of angle A. So I have to choose the appropriate trig function that works with side opposite and side adjacent, which that is to the tangent. The tangent of any angle is found by taking side opposite over side adjacent. So let's substitute in what we know. Tangent of angle A, side opposite was 5 units, side adjacent is 6 units. Now, in order to find an angle measure, we have to use inverse trig. So the tangent inverse of 5, 6. Now let's find the angle. So you want to take out your calculators, turn your calculators on, make sure you're in the appropriate mode, which in this case we're finding angles in degrees, so make sure you're in degree mode. And now we're going to go ahead and push the tangent inverse and then type in 5, 6. We should get an angle, and I'm going to the closest degree, so normally it would be 39.8 in the tens. I'll just round it up to 40 degrees. So nice and close, 40 degrees. So now I can go identify this as 40 degrees. So angle A is 40 degrees. All right, we have one thing left, angle B. Do you remember the triangle sum theorem? The triangle sum theorem says all 3 angles in a triangle must always add up to 180 degrees. Well, we know angle 40 and angle 90. We just need to find angle B. All right. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C must equal 180 degrees. Let's substitute in what we know. Angle A is 40 degrees. Angle B is unknown. Angle C is 90 degrees. And we're going to solve this equation for angle B. So combine 40 plus 90 to give you 130 degrees. Undo the 130 degrees by subtracting it from both sides. And we're left with 50 degrees. All right. We found all the pieces in this triangle.